What's going on, YouTube? Donnie here back. You already know what it is. We are about to go to what's it called? The airboat. Sorry, I was distracted. That's why I was paused when I was saying stuff. But yeah, we are about to go to the airboat, which is like a tour, like a swamp. That we're on a speedboat going around the swamp to see the alligators and stuff.
Yeah, it's like 10 minutes away from here.
So yeah, y'all stay tuned, man. Hopefully y'all enjoy this very fun video. See y'all soon. Guys, it feels nice out here. It was a funny movie scene in the elevator too. It's been goofy. She's like, everybody. And SJ was like, you know there's someone behind you, right? And the lady was just like, oh, hi.
You know how fast the
That was funny.
Yeah,
I don't know how fast to go. I hope. I want to go fast.
I'm trying to be doing backflips on that thing.
Not backflips.
How fast is the
Feels nice, y'all. Yeah, really.
This about to be all houses. I know it is.
Where the hell are we?
Oh, we on a dirt road.
Dirt road? Oh, nah, bruh. Y'all see this?
I got a long way to go.
Nah, we're on a dirt road, probably. No. It's not about me driving. It's the fact that we don't know where we at. Where's the left? The cabin?
If I get it started, move.
Where the heck?
We're on a dirt road.
Dirt road. Jeez Louise. Where are we, guys? Where the heck are we? Recreation? For what kind of recreation, though? We better not be no KKK down here. We're just driving all slow. The black people driving slow. Like, what the heck? What the heck? Are we even on the street anymore? Dirt. What the heck? Why would I know? Well, now we're back on the road.
Oh, this where the water is.
Oh, okay. Okay. What happened if we see an alligator?
We are going to see alligators.
I mean, like in the street.
Remember when we was at your junior wedding and the alligators came out at us?
Oh, yes. I remember that. We was walking. Almost attacked us.
You set that shit up for me. You set that shit up.
Wait, where is that? Airboats, guys. Y'all are gonna have fun. Y'all are gonna have fun. I'm gonna try to record, so.
Mommy, they drive inside. Where's the airboat?
Yeah, it's out, y'all.
Water right there? No, look, they're running in the field. Field, right there. Wait, I think I see Mufasa.
Mufasa?
Yo, I think I see Mufasa. Wait, they're older now. So there's the airboat.
Is that from the new Lion King?
Huh?
That's from the new Lion King? Ah, spoiling it.
Oh, yeah, we gotta get DJ a spoiler alert. This is a song that they do.
Intriguing. How do y'all even know that already? I'll see y'all soon. Alright, see, here we go. We're on the boat, we're on the boat. Alligator. What's up with it?
Yeah, that one will fuck you up.
Alligator.
Is that alive?
Let me see.
Is that alive? Alligator bucket.
I'm trying to see.
Is that alive?
Right here from
Yes, he's real. Are you sure? Can you move it?
Wow, good eye.
Are you sure that thing real?
Can you go over by Papa? You can see
Hey, I dare you to hop up in there.
That's how you crazy. Right. That shit gonna be the one to be
We tell
doing.
how big our alligators are is by the head size. So for every inch from the nose to the eyeballs, it goes about 1 foot of body length.
DJ, let me see your phone.
Move,
Ashtay, move.
About a 7 to 8 foot alligator. Females will not get over 8 feet long. 8 feet's very big for a
That's
male.
a ginormous
Males like this
alligator.
fella here, this guy will grow up to 17, 18 feet long, weighing over 1,000 pounds.
So how do you tell if they're male?
Well, the easiest way is by size. Up until they get over 8 feet, you don't know unless you got some
Crazy, y'all.
consideration. Look at the tail of it. See how he's got that tan coloration?
Yep.
That is a natural camouflage that these animals are born with as their babies. Their tan and black stripe helps them blend in and survive out here. That coloration only gets out with age. So if that was an older female at that size, it wouldn't have that tan coloration in its tail. It would have already faded out.
That's beautiful.
So,
Yeah.
cold to an alligator is only about 70 degrees. That's it. Oh. Right? That's in the Floridian too. Okay? Y'all laugh. Y'all come down here in fall. The first time it drops below about 65 degrees. You can tell the native girls versus the tourist girls. The native girls, we walk around in UGG boots and puff jackets and their Stanleys talking about how much they love the seasons. Right? My wife tried that crap with me this year. I told her to get back in there and put flip-flops on. So,
Hope you enjoyed this video. Smash the like button, y'all.
at 65 degrees, this animal actually becomes lethargic. He's so cold, he's not even hungry.
Dang.
All right? So they've been pretty miserable the past few weeks.
No, 4 alligators.
So come here in the next week or so, once we finally start getting back up into the 70s and everything starts warming up,
Oh, I
they'll
love
start getting hungry again and start feeding again. Now, at this size, his typical diet is usually about turtles, fish, things of that nature. You have to be careful with the turtles, though. They eat too many turtles in too short of a time span. It can actually kill them.
Dang.
Yep. Their bodies don't digest that turtle shell very efficiently. So if they eat too many of it in too short of a time, it'll actually back them up in their digestive tract where they can't go to the bathroom. Pretty much end up dying of constipation. I found that out about 15 years ago.
Alright, YouTube, it seems like we're back. That was fun. Nice ride. Except for when the sun was going down. Hope y'all enjoyed the ride. Make sure that you guys subscribe if you're new and turn on notifications so y'all always. I'm gonna end this video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe, like I said. And yeah, peace out.